Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone issues in Windows 10. Follow these steps in order and test the microphone after each step. The first thing you want to do is check physical connections, of course. Check for any loose connections, faulty cables, or a muted microphone that's physically muted, etc, etc. Okay, I'm going to assume that you have done that. I'm going to move on to step number 2. Step number 2 is set the microphone as a default device. So you want to right click on the speaker icon in the bottom right, click on sound settings, and make sure that the microphone you have for input is the correct microphone. Now if it's missing, we'll move on to step number 3 because you need drivers for it, but if it's not, you want to right click on it and say set as default device. Also make sure the volume of that device is at an appropriate level. Okay, now after you have done that, alternatively, there's a different way to do this, by the way. You can go to settings, go to system, go to sound. Where's sound? Oh, here. And you can play here under input and choose your input device. Okay, excellent, great. Step number 3. You want to make sure that you have the correct inputs, drivers. So go to manager. Under microphones, if you can find it. Sound, video, and in-game controllers. You should see your microphone here. You can right click on your microphone here and go update driver and then search automatically for drivers. If you already see it, you want to right click on it, say uninstall device, and reinstall the device. By the way, if you have something like high definition audio device or some other random generic driver, I wouldn't recommend that. I would look up whatever driver that your microphone has, and I would try to install it. If it's a big brand, I would go to the website and install it directly. There's also a legacy troubleshooter for this. You can go to search, type in run, and type in control. And from here, you go to hardware and sound. You go to manage audio devices and you can find the playback here. You could say test, you could say set as default device, or set as default communication device as well. The next thing you want to do is make sure the following audio services are running on Windows. So go to search, type in run. This will come up, type in services.msc, hit enter. And you want to search for Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Make sure that they are both running. You could also double click on them. Make sure that the startup is automatic. You can also stop and restart them just to be sure that they are running properly. But here they are running properly. If they are not running, you need to run them. And last but not least, you want to update Windows. So go to settings, left hand side, Windows Update, and check for updates, and then install any updates. If Windows is not updated properly, then it causes a lot of issues. So make sure you've done that. Okay, and this should have solved your issue. If it did, leave this video a like and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Have a nice day.